Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you might wonder why I'm on the Amazon website, right? Well, so pretty much I've been creating a tutorial on how to become an affiliate partner of travel related affiliations, and I think Amazon is not an exception, right? Because Amazon is considered as the number one how do you call that, shopping like number one in the world. So I think you can't go wrong if you're one of Amazon associates. So pretty much if you would click on the offerings or the product offerings by Amazon, you'll see right here about travel. There is a lot that Amazon can offer. So pretty much if you would like to check on luggages, all right, so we have here carry-ons, backpacks, garment bags, luggage sets, laptops, and many more. So by just looking at those travel related products, then I know most of you would have an idea on how you can integrate those items or stuffs on your website, right? So why not give it a try? And then what's the best thing about Amazon is they deliver like around the world, like with no country exception. So there is just some guidelines on becoming an associate with Amazon. To be honest, I'm one of Amazon's affiliates I think in 2018, 2019, I'm not too sure, I forgot already. So during that time they have a 6 months leeway time. It's like they're giving you 6 months for you to at least make 6 successful checkouts, and your friend or you and your family should not be the one doing it. Unlike other affiliates, you can freely use the links on your website and then book or purchase for yourself. With Amazon, you should not be completing the 6 checkouts for that span of 6 months, and also you should not be making a purchase on your website or on your account using your link. So yeah, so it's like you're selling but you can't buy the goods you're selling. So yeah, that's what Amazon's guidelines, so you just need to follow it. Because I tried, because I'm about to the 6 months leeway, or the 6 months time given is about to end. So I let my brother purchase on my behalf, and then I didn't see it on the report list, like the extracted reports, and I tried reaching out to customer support, and that was the explanation given to me. So if you're an affiliate and you would like to purchase an item, you can't do it. Might as well ask your friend with a different IP address, okay, and then have them purchase it on your behalf. And yeah, I think that's the other way. Nevertheless, I know that should not stop you from signing up an account, right? So in this video, I will walk you through on how to sign up an account. So you just need to, I just scroll down at the bottom and just need to click on here, okay? And from here, there are options on how you can integrate Amazon's products on your website. So basically, once you sign up, you advertise Amazon's products and you earn something. So you see that you will get up to 10% in advertising fees, and you'll basically will able to monitor it, because you will have like a report extracted, a CSV report that you can extract. It's an Excel file, and it would basically represent there all of the your affiliation performance, like all of the links that you integrate on your website will be available in there. Okay, so how to join? Basically, there are countries here available in your area. Unfortunately, my country isn't listed, so I'll just click on United States and then English and then join for free. So from here, if you already have an account, you can log in, but these are just the basic information. So let's click on create your account. So your name, complete name, your email address, your password, we type password and create Amazon account. Pretty simple, but yeah, I'll just pause the video first and then we'll put on the information asked and then we'll get back. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm back. After I submitted and click on the create Amazon account on the page earlier, there is a code submitted or sent to my email, the email that I've entered. Okay, and then that code is your unique OTP, like one-time password. You need to just log in. Okay, you need to enter the OTP as a verification code that has been sent to your email and you will be routed. Once you enter that, and you will be routed to your account. And I think you need to complete all the stages, like this is step 1, 2, 3, and finally the last step. And after that, I think you can now start integrating some of Amazon's products to your website and start earning. Okay, so again, these are all information that are personal, so I need to pause the video again and we'll get back to you. So basically, pay name, that's you, your address, your city, country, phone number, and I think this is you, of course. Alright, so we'll get back to you. So I think this is the second step where you need to enter either your mobile URL or your website. So let's enter. What's the example? Okay. Travel.com. Add. Okay. Alrighty, so you need to add, I think, as many websites as you want, right? The next. Okay, what's it? Any website listed primarily. Yes. Okay. Are any of the websites listed above directed primarily to certain apps not in manner? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's read it one more time. These websites and mobile apps are not listed. Go to this information. Are not eligible. These are eligible. Okay, confirm. Okay. So, what are my preferred associates? Store ID. Are my preferred associates? So, just prefer this. Right? Very personalized. Okay. And activities of travel and tourists. These are the best websites. Travel and then blogs. I don't know. Is it? Publisher, author, artist, or influencer. Can go with influencer maybe. Business, like that. What type of Amazon do you intend to list on your website? What are the items? I don't know. Of course, travel related. Maybe this. Computers. Maybe. I don't know. This would do. Sports. Health and beauty. Either way. What are type of websites? Content or niche. Blog. There you go. Another type. Do I have another type? Coupons or deals. Search. Okay, how do you drive traffic to your website? Spend advertising. Email. Blogs. Other. How do you utilize Samsung's income? Other affiliate programs. What else? E-commerce. Or maybe the other one. There you go. How do you usually build links? This one. How many unique visitors? 1,000 registration to monetize. Okay, I think we're almost done. Okay, N. Sorry, 2C DM6. Finish. I think we're done. I'm not sure. Oh my god, we're good. Okay, so I think we're good. Their payment. Okay, so I think we're good. So I think that's it. That's pretty much it. And welcome to Amazon's affiliate or Amazon's associates program. Your chances of, or your door to earning a lot.